First fight of the night, ladies and gentlemen, on Fight Pass, Mike Santiago and Dan Ige. Charles Oliveira and Clay Guida, ladies and gentlemen. Sergio Pettis and Joseph Benavidez, ladies and gentlemen. Rashad Evans and Anthony Smith, ladies and gentlemen. Kicking things off on FS1, Rashad Coulter and Chris De La Rocha. Versad Bektik and Ricardo Lamas, ladies and gentlemen. Carla Esparza and Claudia Gadelia, ladies and gentlemen. The feature bout on FS1, ladies and gentlemen, ALISTAIR, OVEREEM, and Curtis Blades. Mike Jackson and CM Punk, ladies and gentlemen. The next fight takes place. TUIVASA and ANDREI ARLOVSKI, ladies and gentlemen. Megan Anderson and Holly Holm, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, for the interim UFC welterweight champion of the world, introducing Colby Covington. Official weight 169 for Mr. Covington. And his opponent, the former UFC lightweight champion of the world, Rafael Dos Anjos. Official weight 169. All right, I'm here with Colby Covington. Colby, you seem like you're having a lot of fun with the promotion here, but tomorrow's the big night. Give us your thoughts on your opponent, what tomorrow night means for you to fight for the title.
Tomorrow night, I'm getting 10 pounds of gold, and then I'm bringing it to Donald Trump like a real champion should. The Eagles and the Golden State Warriors play with balls. I let my balls hang out. Tomorrow night, I'm going to let my balls hang on this filthy animal's face, live on pay-per-view. Don't miss it. Let's go!
Colby Covington, ladies and gentlemen. All right, I'm here with Rafael Dos Anjos, ladies and gentlemen. Rafael, you are a respectful man, a former champion. You're not the type of guy to trash talk. How do you feel about all this, and how do you feel about Colby as an opponent?
I thought he was gonna punch you like say he would do, but that was just talk, you know. I mean, I've been on this game for so long. I know I built my way to the top, and I'm doing that again. And you know, I just fight. I love my family. I love Brazil. I love USA, and I'm gonna do that for you guys.
Good luck to you, sir. Rafael Dos Anjos, ladies and gentlemen. Introducing the challenger, Yoel Romero. Whitaker! Official weight, 185 for the champion! All right, I'm here with Yoel Romero. Yoel, you had a very difficult weight cut. You missed it by a very small amount. What are your thoughts on this fight tomorrow night?
You know, I missed it the way, you know, what happened. The situation is very complicated, you know. I don't know why the commission, I don't want to talk.
The commission stopped you in the middle of your weight cut with hours to go.
Yeah, I needed 2 hours and the commission only gave me 1. And that's what happened. I don't know why the commission give me the 2 hours.
So this must be pointed out that it wasn't your decision to stop the weight cut, it was the commission's decision.
This is the commission decision.
Okay. Good luck to you tomorrow night, sir. Yoel Romero, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here with the champion, ladies and gentlemen. Robert, this has got to be very frustrating for you. I know you have expressed some real concern about him not making weight. Now that he hasn't made weight, does this factor into your thoughts at all about tomorrow night, or do you just go out there to defend your title?
I'm leaving that with all my team. I have a great team. I have great staff. They're going to worry about all that. My job here is done still. I'm still doing my job. I'm refueling, getting ready for a fight.
All right, good luck to you tomorrow night, sir. Robert Whitaker, ladies and gentlemen.